Hey, I wanted to show this to you today. This is some of the best weed killer on earth. This is a great alternative to Roundup or some other chemical. This is just vinegar. It's just extra strong vinegar. You can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's or some other hardware store or on Amazon. Probably got a link down in the description to that if you like. But this stuff here is 30% vinegar. The stuff you buy in a grocery store is like 6% vinegar. And this stuff is extremely strong. So what you do is you load it into a sprayer, and then you just start hosing stuff down that you want to watch die. And about the best time to do this is when the sun's out and it's nice and hot. Check this out. I sprayed this stuff about 5 minutes ago over here. I just hosed all of that stuff down, and look, it's already turning brown. That's kind of crazy. 5 minutes ago I sprayed that, and it's about 95 degrees out here. Fresh sprayed that one just now. We'll see how it looks in a little bit. Alright, this is about 3 hours later. Same day. That weed's having a bad day. Just vinegar, 30%, and there's also 45% out there. Your whole yard will smell like a bag of chips.